Batsmen are entering the field. The fielders. And that's a 6. Allowed appeal. Oh, he could be out. Allowed appeal, but turned down by the umpire. Caught. He's not out. And that's a 6. A massive one. Another 6. A big one this time. And that's a 6. A massive one. That was a superb drive. A lovely straight drive and the ball is racing for a 4. Allowed appeal, but turned down by the umpire. One bounce and over the fence. Good length. Good length. It's a no ball. That was a beautiful cover drive. A nice clean hit. And there goes up the umpire's finger. Oh, he could be out. The third umpire has been asked to be... It's a no ball. That was a superb drive. It's a free hit. And that's a 6. A massive one. Allowed appeal, but turned down by the umpire. Poor running between the wickets. And there goes up the umpire's finger.